your washing machine box right here. This is a water softener for, as you can hear, the piano room. Or no, this is a water softener for the piano room humidifier, so that the humidifier doesn't get clogged with calcium and magnesium. Interesting, huh? It's discharging into the standpipe there. So there we go. Some hammer arresters. And the copper, the water lines are coming in this way and this way. So I'm thinking chop them, then run the lines up. Pretty cool place, huh? This is Walt Disney, a part of the Walt Disney Concert Hall. It's a pretty cool place. It's not the Walt Disney Concert Hall, but it's part of it. It's like a, I think it's a privately owned theater or something. I can't remember. But anyway. So we have a 3/4 line right here with a hammer arrestor coming off, and then the cold tees off of this 3/4 line right here. But likely we're not going to have space for that. But we don't need water hammer arresters, and we don't need a new box because they already have them. I don't see where the one is for the hot, but it's likely somewhere in here, probably coming off of that 3/4 line. But I think the best thing to do is to just try and see if I can replace this only. So we opened up a little more because I saw this. Thought the hammer arrestor would be there, but it's actually right up there. That's where it is. So hammer arrestor for the hot and cold. We'll just get a new one of those if possible. The valve came off easily, and these appear to be, the seal seems to be fine. A little crusty on it right there, but this is a metal tray. The water's just draining into the standpipe. Alright, so the verdict is nobody has this in stock. Most stores say they have to order this from Connecticut. It's a Symmons. Symmons w400 or something. And but Ferguson's has two of them in their Paris distribution center. So we are going to reinstall this for now. It'll be at the store tomorrow, and then we'll come back and shut the water off, and that'll be it. I really like doing washing machine boxes. I was looking forward to it, but whatever. It is what it is. Alright, so apparently, because it's such a big building, they can't shut the water down tomorrow. So the guy is going to ask if they should approve us to cut the water lines, these two right here, go right here. I'd open this up and put in ball valves, and then they'd put an access panel right there. So I may do this here in a second. All right, I put 2 ProPress ball valves right there. So they're not going to change this, because the reason they wanted to change this is because this wouldn't shut off. But they're going to have 2 shutoffs here and an access panel, and then they can, because you know, shutting the building down, it's not just this building, there's multiple buildings that are being shut down, and this is a huge, you know, many skyscrapers. So we're in the basement, so this will be beneficial for them to have. All right, folks. All right, everything's nice and sanded. So we will put that one like that, and this one like that. All right. So we're at, let's see, do we have any, we have no up or down play. So this needs to be pretty exact. So I would say that's about 5 3/4. All right, we got the piece of pipe. Mark the insertion depths. Look at that. All right. So now this is a slip coupling. Boom. Okay. So I'm going to press this one. Make sure that's coming out nice and straight. I'm going to have to set you down to do this one. Okay, so the purpose of a slip coupling is so you can, there's no stop in the middle. You want to make sure you insert, you do the insertion depth, but then you line it up, and then boom, right like that. And then that's all the way in. There you go. Now we'll do the exact same for this side.